Ayan na, the train is back, everyone. Ayun, yung Euro train. Everyone, so no need to take the bus. Now we use this one. And this is the other side. So waiting here. Dito, ayan po yung Euro train is back. And this is my outfit. And my nails also fly again.
The aero train to the satellite building will arrive shortly.
Yeah. Okay. Ayan po siya, Maragtagaw. Ayan yung bus. Mayroon yung bus. Pwede ka rin mag-rides. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa kabilang building. Ayan. Easy Life. Ayan. So, ayun na po yung kabilang building. Doon po tayo sasakay. So, balik na po yung train. Everyone. Ayan. Ito po yung Euro train. So, doon tayo galing sa kabila. Ayan, doon. Ayan. Tapos punta dito. O, diba? Nagkabilak-bilak na ako. Ayan, naghubo na tong bra. Marios. Ayun na, dito na sa kabilang building. So happy. May train na tayo. Easy Life. Kasi pag bus, mahaba yung lakaran, tapos akyat, tapos yung mga tao, nag-uumpo ka, nag-antay ng bus. So, yun ang stress, matagal. So, yung train is mabilis lang. Kahit hindi ako na-upgrade sa business class, may free lodge tayo dito. Kasi nga, kuyog baboy tayo pag nandyan si boss. So, maka-avail tayo. Kasali tayo. So, yun. Hindi tayo naka-upgrade kasi full. Full po ang business class. May nauna pa sa akin, nagbayad siya ng cash. Yan sa akin ay points lang gagamitin. So, yun. Yun, priority nila yung mga ganon. Sa akin points kasi mag-aantay lang ako pag may vacant. Maka-upgrade ako. Nandito na naman tayo sa lodge. Dito tayo upo. First food, Tomyang po siya, everyone. Tayo ng madami kasi naka-economy tayo ngayon. Hindi tayo na pasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, yon, kakain tayo ng madami. Ganon din. Lagi ko naman ito. I-try natin ito. Kakaibang pansit. Homemade po siya. Ito po yung beef. Nag-beef tayo, everyone. Manok. Ayan, yung litson manok. Tapos may ano din, yung kakaibang manok. Ayan, chicken and rice. Matulog ng gutom. Parang mukhang masarap to. Siomai. Ayan, kain tayo. Diretso na natin para Tom Yum. Ito po yung pagpilian. Nice pala yung pag-ganito-ganito. Nice siya. So, dito may pag-ganito design. Yeah, let's eat. Ang sarap-sarap ng food. Kakain tayo kasi hindi tayo nakapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Yeah, fully booked. fairness, ang sarap niya, everyone. Noodles. Ang sarap. Sabaw. Gumawa tayo ng salad, everyone. Salad po siya. O, diba? Food for today's video. Economy, everyone. But nice yung upuan ko. Ayan, nandito ako sa exit. Ayan, maganda yung upuan ko kahit nasa economy ako. Ayan yung food. Photos na naman, everyone. Hello everyone, breakfast time. Ito lang po yung ating kinuha. So same place, same hotel po tayo for this trip. Ayan po yung food natin. Laging masarap po yung food sa Grand Melia. So yun, worth it po yung hotel na to. Yun po yung nagustuhan namin dito. Kaya balik-balik po. Anong mangyari, babalik talaga. So, mag-breakfast na tayo. May coffee, may beetroot po siya. So, masarap siya. At saka nag-order pala akong cappuccino. So, morning, pwede mag-coffee. Pero pag night time, hindi na pwede. Hindi na makatulog. So, yun po yung ating food. Nawala na yung leeg dyan kasi yung camera kasi mahirap. Bibili tayo ng bagong camera siguro pang ating vlog, no? Kasi cellphone lang po yung gamit natin, everyone. So, hindi masyadong maganda yung vlog natin. Maganda yung mga place, ha? Sayang. Pero yung camera ko ay camera blurred konti. So, yan, dumating na ang ating eggs. Nag-order ako ng eggs. So, kompleto po yung ating food. So, strong. Madaming protein po. May oats pa, may yogurt. May gulay. So, yan po ang ating day. First day of the trip. Tapos na tayong kumain. May balance pa yung oats natin. So, uubusin lang natin yan bago aalis. Tsaka maganda yung upuan nila dyan sa corner. Maraming makakasya. Four-seater na siya. Last month, lang yan, 2 person. At saka yung sofa bago yan. Yung nice, nila pa decoration sa table. So, yun. Pinatay natin yung music. Kasi maka-copyright tayo. So, yan. Ina-explain ko lang bago po yung corner na yan. Bagong set up ng sofa. So, malaki na siya. At saka, nice. Ito yung favorite place at food namin. Pag nagta-travel, ito laging hotel na to. So, relaxing dito, everyone. Sa Grand Melia, ayan po siya. Lobby pa lang, kalula, ang laki-laki. Relaxing po dyan. Tapos na tayo mag-breakfast. Going to our room again. Oh, wow, nice yung lights. I love it. Oh, nice yung lights dito. Wow! Breakfast again, another day, everyone. And may outfit check. Ayan po yung outfit natin for this video. Another breakfast, everyone. And this is my view. Oh, diba? Oh, yan. Ating breakfast. My coffee. Bye, Jakarta! And see you again. Everyone, airport na tayo, airport. Ayan. Yung lagayan ng basura nila. Diba ang linis? O, tingnan mo. Organized. Ang kintab. O, see, ang kintab, ang linis. Ito po yung number 25. Best airport in the world. Number 25 na sila. Ang ganda. Ayan po yung mga counter. Renovation. Bagong gawa. Grainy. Ayan po yung na airport. So nice. So diba? So shining yung lagay ng basura. Ayan, close pa yung counter. Maaga kaming dumating. So ito yung outfit natin for today's venue. Ayan yung view. Okay, see you later. Ayan, nice yung airport nila dito, bago. Ayan. Nice po yung airport. Ayan o, nice yung counter. Bagong gawa. Pinalitan nila yung grainy flower. Mga grain. Dati may ano yan, signboard na mga letters. Ngayon wala na, tinanggal. Okay, ito yung view. Wala pa open. Close pa. Close pa po. Guava juice. Kuha lang tayo ng tubig. Isang lunch after ng check-in. So, yun ang ating food. Ayan po. Bumalik tayo dito sa ito naman talaga yung relaxing dito. So, let's eat. Kailangan ko pa mag sa self. Good yung salad. Yung may olive oil.
Alert life. Hello, hello. Like some orange juice. Here you are. Nee hoor, ik maak een grapje.
Ayan, may welcome drinks. Naka-business class tayo ulit. Naka-upgrade si Madam. Everyone. Problema here. Suddenly off.
Devices may be used at all times. Please make sure to put these in airplane mode.
Katakot.
It's not allowed to charge electronic devices during taxi, takeoff and landing. Please make sure that your device is always visible when charging. If the device gets hot, produces smoke or shows signs of damage, unplug it from charging immediately and alert the crew member. Let me remind you, it's not allowed to smoke on board this aircraft, and this includes the use of electronic cigarettes. After this announcement, we will show you how to use your oxygen mask, your life vest, and some other safety procedures. If you have any questions afterwards, please feel free to ask them.
Manual tayo,
Please
manual.
fasten your seatbelt now. We'll show you how to fasten and tighten the belt. And this is the way to open it again.
Mag-one manual. Walang
We will now demonstrate the use of the oxygen mask. If there
Taxi, takeoff and landing, either in an overhead bin or in a bag under the seat in front of you. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is off, you may use these devices when set to airplane mode. This is a non-smoking flight. This means smoking on board the aircraft.
yung phone, everyone. Nanood tayo ng movie. Next year or tayo makasakay nito R1. Thanks. That's it for this year. Or maybe December. Maybe. Baka may meeting pa si Bossing. So, ito na yung final round sa trip na to. Bababa na kami. Baba na. See you next year. KLM.